Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Reasons with Chin. Big up to all lovely viewers, subscribers, supporters, families, enough love, enough respect, manners, and appreciation. And to all the new subscribers, special welcome to you all. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the vibe. Let's get into it. Wagwan. How to do? How things? Everybody good? Nice. And special shout out for all of the people them who pass through my channel. Yeah, I don't watch the video, or not just watch and go about on the business and leave me hanging. You understand? Wanna stop by, wanna drop a like, or wanna drop a comment. Some wanna do both. Yes, if I even an emoji, yes, for sure, girl say, we love you, we appreciate you. Well, me love your contents because you don't know me, right? We love your contents and we appreciate your time and your effort. So the least we can do, I do something if I have to touch the thumbs up. You understand? So big up to Uno for that because you know say all them thing there it push revenue and allow YouTube to take the video all about the place. Smell of gosh with the front people. Mm-hmm. Thank you for the love and the support, man. I appreciate it. I'm grateful. Yeah, pick up on yourself for all who come over here and do they do. Yes, my love. And I notice quite a few new persons over here. And one of my say, oh, me care about with chin, cause chin not consistent. It's not a matter of not being consistent. You understand, my love? For me, YouTube is a part-time and a full-time. But I wish if I could do it full-time, but I can't. So when uno see me pan a daily duty calls, I get busy, man, I get no time for God, the people them yard, forget the local source. And I know in order for me tell the things, I forget the local source for conk, don't it? Yeah, man. And when you see video drop on a daily, it's not like me get up and do it every day. What we do the video for open at the night and then me upload it in the day. So when you see me drop a video in the day, you hear Peony balling in the background. Nobody sit down and chat me now, no mind. I say, then I which part chin she leave that Peony ball in the background at daytime. And night, me do the video, my love, and me upload it in a daytime. So if you don't hear Peony, you know say that video there was a night video. You understand? So you don't chat me. You know, no mind and ask me about, and I talk about which part chin leave make peony ball in a day. No peony no ball here in the days. Yes, now, so make a go along down into the tory, them now, my loves. You know, me and Agnes sit down here, you know, me dear children, and we attack. And when me look at all the galangments, because I know, you don't see the galangments in the whole up turning over, we are galang with the people, them pie, my love, the whole of them come out and them off, them one another, like I said, them a cannibal. And me and Agnes, me say Agnes, soy, you know, me still gonna look at them people, and it make me realize, say, how sad life has become. Bad to bad, man. When we are grow up, Agnes, see the whole internet thing, yeah, it never debate. No matter how you see, we always find something to occupy with time and we well entertained. Somehow we grew up poor and nothing we paparazzi and we never know say we poor. Cause nobody couldn't tell me say me poor when me I grew up, even though we grew up in a whole house. Sometimes we have to spread all clothes on the floor and sleep on it and all of them something there. But nobody couldn't tell we say we poor. And we did happy. We did happy and good and nice and comfortable. Nobody in a show off a iPad, nobody in a go like I say, them better than nobody. All of we go river together, the all of we sail kite together, the all of we play Chinese skip, ring game and all kind of something together, the all of we did on the same level. It's just that some people them did kind of have it little more than some, and we have to go there yard go peep through their window and watch them TV. But bad to bad, man, bad to bad, it never stays so. Like I know, when nobody now no love, nobody now no compassion, nobody no sympathize, nobody no empathize with each other against that whole social media just create a bunch of monsters. And the sad part of it is not me, I know young people alone, cause the young people them in it, but I know them alone, the whole people them, the great granny them and the great grandpa them, the grannies. You understand? And when you look into it, me love the grannies them worse than the young people them. Them behavior worse than the young people them. A lying. No, Lord, that segment ya a fear. You see, Lord, that segment ya a fear. You know, no vacation where you can go back pan. You see, like, oh, you come to Jamaica the other day, and nobody then a see na ear fry you. You know, no more like that where you can go back pan and stay long. No come back until we call you. You can't do one next one like that, Lord. Go on, man. Go on. Do one next one like that where you stay hidden. Nobody never hear from you. Always search down a place for you. We couldn't find you. Go back power next one like that and stay as long as you want. We call you when we're ready for you. If we ever ready back for you. Because you say, Lord, You see the few little days where you're gone between me and you. Me and Agnes could have walked social media streets in peace. It never quiet, you know, Lolo. But it did quiet-ish. Maybe if you did stay longer, chances are you'd have get quiet altogether. Believe me when me say that to you, Lolo. Me not tell no like, I kiss the cross is the truth, the honest truth. The whole truth and nothing but the truth. It never so nice. But you see, since you come back, Lolo, me say, Lord, I say, since you come back, social media stir up back again. And since you come back, Lord, out you come like I say, a coronation market for New Year's Eve. Be nice, the place just get louder and noisier. Go on, Lord, man, go on. Little calmness in there when you never there. You never calm and still. It never calm and still. But little calmness did there, Lolo. Lolo, go on, no man, go on, take your couple of them, the Lolo, and the whole of Uno galang power. Very long vacation. The whole of Uno man. I'm looking into it now, you know, Lolo. Looking into it. When me see the whole of Uno know how no cha up on one another and a disgrace and a expose Uno one another. You know me, I said to myself, I say, me not too like the separation with the whole of uno, you know, for hala uno lolo, hala uno deserve each other. The whole of uno where tear when I wanna go along with no antics out there, the whole of uno deserve each other. Because say, are you lolo, you breed them up, lolo, lolo, are you breed them up. You recruit them, lolo. How you make them people, yeah, lolo. So all of who deserve who one another. The whole of who deserve to stay together, stand together, and torment who one another. Chat and gossip amongst who one another behind each other back. Nyama who one another head. Until you no start chop up each other. Lord, uno no bother with this separation. Uno get back together, man. Get back together. Ah, all of the dirty laundry them who no dash out here, no crepe them up. Crepe them up back. Go back in and no hiding back a closed door and do it to uno one another. In our no one space. Cause me no like how no come out here, this a dirty up the place and this a dirty it up so. But then again, when you look into it, uno did have to get exposed. You understand? We did have to know about uno. And the good part of it are the whole of uno. I expose uno self. It never take a stranger if you come in and uno camp go expose uno. Uno expose uno own self. So, Lord, you come out now attack. I say you was not a part of what these people doing now. Lord, you is very much a part of them. You is very much a part of them, Lord. Hala uno used to do the same thing, but it's just that uno never do it to each other at the time. Uno never do it to other people. And now the table turn. Now the table turn. Uno do it to uno one another. Now you come out to the public and go say you was not a part. You is very much a part, man. You is very much a part. So nobody can try wash your hand clean and you breed them up. They learn from the best and the best is you. Are you they learn from Lord or you them learn from and you teach them. So what you did expect? Eh? What you did expect? You never know so you go teach them for them turn run come tumble down pa you. You think so you did go teach them and then did go graduate and go along about them business? You did have to taste your own medicine now. You did have to taste your own medicine. So no keep it up, man. Keep it up. Keep it up, man. Keep it up. So don't keep people like me and Agnes laughing. For we don't sorry for no. We do not sorry for no. I love sir. But say, love so it's so terrible over there so till not even the dopey no get spear over them in the children. All the dopey they over here drag. You don't know the woman when it over there. She did part of the camp over there, you know, beloved, where kick the bucket where they hang on. Beloved, as much as she don't hear anymore, beloved, not even she then na spear her backside. Not even the dopey na spear because they go dig up the woman foot picture. For me, you Lola cause about the woman foot picture. I don't know what do the foot move because I never see the picture. But me hear Lola cause over there, so they have the woman foot picture and circulate out here upon the media. Beloved, you see the people they terrible over there. You don't see them terrible. You don't tell me the honest truth now if them not deserve them one another over there. Birds of a feather flock together. Did not pick your hebo rest in peace, my love. They torment living and them a torment the dead. Massive fool father. Who no terrible man, who no terrible. Who no not seen the pearly gates, much less we go through it. Yes. And to the other one now, the one where go round there now west where claims that she had trend out here, you know, but the what the producer one he. Then producer who man me ask you a question. For me come a your yard and me search through your page and me see, and me see, and me see. Then how you as a business woman now tangle up in a them a thing you know producer woman. Oh, producer woman now me ask you a question. Make a ask you a question. How did you get here? How did you reach here so? How you allow yourself to be tangle up in a them your social media thing my love. For a business woman and me place emphasis on this because if you like I said, you do not understand the powers of social media. I don't know the powers of social media. You as a business woman, how you get to your so. For you know how come over your yard and I scroll through your page and I scroll and I scroll and I scroll and I see you thing them where you put up over there and then very much appealing to the eye. Your presentation is very well done, my love, or something. But me not understand why uno make social media drag uno to this here level here, this here class here. Fi make uno look so low underneath. Eh? How? Sometimes you know. Sometimes I have to wonder if you know a really decent snaddy in a real life, I'll not just come past social media, come put that side of uno ya out there. Or I saw uno turn in a real life. But because of certain situation, why uno have to keep that side of uno there hidden. So uno just use social media for rebel. Eh? Me no know, me no know, me no know. For when me I look, me I say probably uno not decent none tall. Because he said there is no way me as a business woman. I don't say I won't come out here upon the social media streets, but there is nowhere nobody upon this face of the earth can could have get me if you come out here come behave in the manner how uno behave answer the things them uno say, knowing that I am running a business, especially food business, because he say if the things them will come out of your mouth, my love. The things them when me hear come out of your mouth, my love, as much as your food them look appealing, I would never because if the mouth filthy, so simple mean the food is filthy too. And the filthy mouth and the filthy hand them a prepare it. No, my love, so no got to do better, man. No got to do better. Can take control of yourself, man. Get a grip, man. Get a hold on yourself, man. Turn, man. Uno might ask the people them we are supporting no come past social media, but uno would have be shocked for know the type of smarty them we are watching. Uno have to be careful when uno have a brand. Holy Mother of Mary, man. Massy. Uno careless, bra. Uno careless, man. Uno behave worse than the young people them over TikTok. Uno behaving worse than the young people them over TikTok. Control yourself, man. Control yourself. Control yourself. No. Neither Tory, no, my love. Neither Tory, no. Curly, you know how long I don't come to your yard, Curly. Curly, it's a very long time me no pass through for your yard. You know, my love. I don't even remember how your yard look. For you just moving and me come the call fast. I don't remember coming back over there. But I see your name all about over the place. So I say, you know what, Agnes? Me feel like I said we figure pay Curly a visit, you know, and see what she along in without there. If she a behave herself or she not behave herself, or is lie people lying pan her out here. Even though we know nobody not tell no lie pan Curly. But you know, just figure the benefit of a doubt, my love. So me say, all right, Agnes, we going over there. Me love, bam me reach over there. Bam me reach over there. Her Curly and her spooky that me see in her kitchen, my love. Me say the spooky hand them. Yes, my love in her kitchen cooking. Me say backside. Backside here now, Curly step up into life. Curly step up into life. I sure I sure have power, my love. Anyway, but don't comfort that boy, you love life, Curly. Like I don't comfort that boy, you love life, my dear. Big up to Curly and her man hand them when me say, my love. Can me never stay over there if see if she are gonna show the entire smarty. I just the hand them, me say, my dear children. But my question now to you see, Curly, my question to you now. Whoa, my question to you now. How you want to come out here, you see, Curly, and dash certain things out here, right? Dash certain things out here, knowing say We out here, we love your business. We love your business bad. Anything for you, we all up in it, curly. Whether it be good or whether it be bad, we love your business out here. And you know, once you say and do certain things, we are gonna pick it up and we are gonna run with it, curly. And you could have ball, you could have cuss, you could have preach. You're now gonna tap with and chat your business. We are gonna always up into your business, curly, whether you likes it or not. You understand? We are gonna always up into your business. Whether good business or bad business, we go up into it. But why now you feel the need to put certain things out here, curly? Me not say you have to put where you want to put out here, but certain things don't have to come out here, curly. Certain things don't have to come out here. And when you put it out here, we run up and down with it now all over the place like a mad and say make and come out here a class and a this up and a galang and a galang. Eh? You can't blame we, 'cause if you not put your business out here, curly, we don't got nothing to go chat about you. Hmm? And you put it out here now. If you like I say you love when we call up your name. You love when we speak about your curly. Talk truth no man and admit it. Five you not get no dugu men's. We not have to know that. We don't need to know curly. We don't want to know your dugu men's business, me love. Relax man, as much as we love your business, me love. Certain things you can't just keep it, man. You can't just keep it and not tell we. We don't want to hear that part there. You know. So now, my loves, alright, the real topic with Curly, I know you know. Carson say, I never will know, say, over the weekend, the Mr. Ashanti man, they meet in an accident. My love, I never know. However, Curly had me there here, I never know, my love. First news to me. And me I say, you know, I mean, I take Curly word for it, you know, because I know sometimes Curly is very little bit a lie and not taking Curly word for it. Me have to go see for myself. I hear for myself. But I me I look around, me don't see anything, me not see no sign or nothing, me not see no vehicle, me not see no accident, me not see no nothing. You understand me, love? I hear people with bits and pieces of tory and something. So till you know me end up over the Mr. Ashanti man, him yard now, me love. And me hear him confirm and I say, him good and all is well and so and so and so. So Mr. Ashanti man, it's good that you're okay, sir. Good that you're okay. So big up to Mr. God for that. No, Curly, no, me pass over your yard, Curly. I may be not hear you say some things. Curly, oh, you ever hear he saying we go say today for me and tomorrow for you? Cause bad to bad now. Bad to bad is not everything what the Mr. Ashanti man say and do me agree with like everybody else out here. And not just him, everybody else. Cause then everybody I go agree with you and your opinion or the things them what you do. You understand? Not everybody. Some I go agree, some I go disagree. Even with me, and everybody agree with me either. You understand, my love? But not because me not agree with everything where him say and do out here. Make me I go sit down and hear say him meet in an accident and say serve your right are good for you or you should have DEAD. No. Me nah do that to nobody. Not even the people them out here with me spirit not take if me if it happen say here say anything happen to them of this sort like that with an accident or whatever reason me not go sit down and rejoice. No, me not rejoice more. Believe me when me say I would never rejoice. Well, me not go say certain things wouldn't reach, you know, what me not rejoice, you know, Curly, because you see, true so much I wanna come out here and tell so much lies. I don't know, I admit say I wanna tell lie, you know. But when no wanna tell lie, I don't know do no self to say wanna tell lies. Defamation and character slandering, libel and the whole of you know, yeah man, if like something reach, you know, we have to do with the law reach, you know. Mm-hmm. But we glad for that part there. But you know when it come to like accident, sickness, DEATH, and some I would have never rejoice. Believe me, me not do it. Me love some believe me. Believe me. Yeah, but as me said earlier, social media change a lot. It change up so much. People not love anymore. Them not have no compassion. Them not empathize. Them not sympathize. And it just sad to see how we behave with each other out here. No unity, nothing at all. It seems as if people quicker to rejoice over someone's downfall rather than to rejoice over somebody's achievement or accomplishment. We don't realize that I saw things set out here, I dread. It dread out here, my loves, anyways. I know enjoy the rest of the day, I know big up on yourself. I'm always seeing you again in our next video. Alright, peace out. Enough love later.